Hello guys, everyone are sleeping here. I have to book my Uber. So it's another 1 hour drive from here, and my flight is at 7:20. My bags are packed. So Ashish from Delhi will be meeting me at the airport, and we both are going to Itanagar from Guwahati. It's another 6-hour drive from there. So I'm pretty much excited for the day. Let's see.
Hello. Hey, this is Kombong, and he's our director. We are going to document Michi tribe, right? Michi tribe for the next few days. And yes, this is Mr. Ashish Photography, and he's a good company. Yes. We are actually going for a road trip from tomorrow. It's like 10-15 hours road trip to the village where we are going to document Michi tribe. It's called Nafra, right? Nafra, yeah. So we are a little pumped up because his Scorpio is coming right now, and let's see. So that you see, it's going to be our ride for the next few days. We are right now at a hill. Ashish brought me here. He wanted to explore this place, and it's so beautiful. It's very much lush green here. We are gonna fly out some drone. Hopefully we'll get some drone actions, and yes, check out this place. Hello, good morning. Right now we are done with the packing, and we are ready and good to go. And I think Ashish will explain more. Ashish, where are we going?
We are going to Nafra right now.
Okay.
We have 11 hours from here, and we don't know how the route is. The route is very new for us. We have never been there before. But first we are going to Tejpur. From Tejpur we are going to Kalaktown. So we are crossing Bhutan border, and let's see.
How far is the travel?
This one, no? Travel we are expecting to reach by 11 hours, but it might take more because we are stopping on the way for the shots. And that's it.
Yes, and hopefully we'll be reaching there by evening 6, right? Evening 6 or 7?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Let's see.
Can't say right now.
Can't say
And it's Arunachal, so maybe roads are blocked. I don't know.
Tezpur, and it's been almost 4 hours journey. Not 4 hours, 4:30. We left at 4:30. It's 5, 6, 7. Yeah, almost 4 hours journey, and it's been very tiring, I must say. And we've been searching for dhabas and we couldn't find it. So we thought we'll have some chips, and Mr.Kombong went to get some chips. And right now, you guys won't believe it. We just entered. We were going to Arunachal and we just discovered that it's like 4 or 5 kilometers. We should go to Bhutan. I slept off after a heavy lunch. The food was really good in Bhutan, and the beer was yes. It's very pretty much cold out there. I'm actually shivering, and I'll show you what I'm seeing right now.
Since I left, you stood the test of time like a leader. It got too far and I will always linger. You went away to feel the wind getting thinner. It worked and I was on the verge looking back. We had all the reasons to split, and we made it final, went into forever. The decay was double the fall, went from nothing to less, went into forever.
Guys, what's up? It's day 4th and we are right now here in Nafra. Ashish took us to his friend's place, which is Bomdila. We had our dinner there. This place, Arunachal, the sunset is at 4:30, and you won't believe, guys, it is almost like here at 5:30 it's pitch dark. It took us almost 3 hours to cover Nafra. You won't believe, 3 hours. The roads were really small, and really bumpy and really narrow. It's scary too because in the night it was raining, landslides can happen. But thank God we are safe, because we slept, we came here and just woke up and I just opened my windows, boom! I see mountains and rivers. I'm so much excited, man. So we are here to document a tribe named Maiji and their festival Chatang. So we will be documenting their lifestyle, their tradition, their culture, the people, the festival for the next 5 days. Live the life you love and love the life you live. Peace out, homies.
To find you in dreams, we always gotta make that exception. Now we'll never make it, we will always be gone. We had all the reasons to split, and we made it final, went into forever. The decay was double the fall, went from nothing to less, went into forever.
चलो मारो हाँ चलो मारो
I'm so tired, like it was a crazy night yesterday. I got sloshed out. I was high. I don't know what I did.
feeling here?
Should I say in Hindi or should I
Yeah,
say in English?
आपको ऐसा कैसा लग रहा है? यहाँ पे कैसा लग रहा है?
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes. Killer man. Killer out here. Yeah.
It was like one of the hangover movies. We lost a guy and we were checking the photos today morning and like, what happened yesterday, man? But we had fun. I mean, we had so much fun. We had traditional local alcohol, which is made out of maize and rice, and we had few beers and it was beautiful. I'm going to have my breakfast where we stay, and we are all done now. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
We are having fried fish.
What is that?
Fried fish. Yesterday we got that
he
from-
gave us, no?
Yeah.
I'm in this beautiful village named Naku, and we have came here to visit one police officer. So we're gonna take his interview about the lives of the people out here. They still follow all the traditional customs. They still live according to the traditions and culture. And out here, it's like beyond the world. I feel so blessed to be here. Just people living here, surviving here, just being happy. I will show you around the house, okay? Mambo, hi bolo.
Hi.
Ek mambo karo.
Namaste, what's up? I hope you guys really loved my video. If you really liked my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This is just part 1. More videos are coming out very soon to my channel. Keep watching my channel for part 2. Don't forget to click on the red button right down there. Don't forget to subscribe. Share it among to all the travel junkies. Share it to your friends, relatives, families. 2018 was a kick-ass year for me. I hope 2019 is going to be a really good year for everyone out there watching this video. Lots of love and hugs to everyone. Thank you once again. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is my first humble attempt to vlog. I hope I have conveyed what I wanted to convey to you guys. So peace out. Stay happy, keep smiling, and bye-bye.